Hi shoppers, I'm Zoe from Zappos, and this is the travel tote bag from Lipault Paris. This bag is going to be your favorite new travel companion. It's large, but it's lightweight, and it's made of a durable nylon, so if you're traveling by car, plane, or train, this bag can totally stand the test. The slip pocket on the front is the perfect size to hold your phone, and check out this zippered pocket around the back. This is not your average zipper pocket. Well, it can be used as one, I suppose, but at the base of the bag here, there's a secondary zipper, and when you open that one up, it actually creates a slip where you can stick the handle of your luggage in. By utilizing this feature, you're able to roll this bag around hands-free, or you can use the detachable and adjustable crossbody strap, plus there's always the option of using those two carrying handles on the top. Inside has lots of room for your laptop, neck pillow, or any overflow from your other carry-on bag. You've got a zippered pocket on the back wall and two large slip pockets on the front wall. For your next weekend getaway, grab the best bag in the biz. It's from Lipault Paris.